Hi girls, welcome back. I'm a little bit sick, so today my voice gonna be a little bit lower, but I feel it should be fine, okay? So today I'm going to review a brand new collection of cat eye gel polishes from Born Pretty. And let me spread them out for a little and I'm show you the results. So in this collection it's like there's 6 new shades. They're all cat eye polishes and they also have like small extra shimmer effect. So just look how gorgeous they like. I'm gonna show you the application later, but how gorgeous they and how amazing they look in action. Here's the full collection. You can see all colors. Here's I'm showing you some numbers so you can take a screenshot to order it for yourself. I love all of them and I feel this one gray, it's gonna be super popular for this fall. It's like a dark, like purplish, a little bit gray, but I love it. So here's the numbers again. Take a screenshot and save it for yourself. And today we are going to be working with the pink shade. And I already did the manicure prep. If you want to learn how to get the clean, flawless manicure result, the link to my course Perfect Cuticle is in my description to this video. And my students are already getting incredible results on their clients' hands. They don't hurt their clients anymore. They know every single step of the process, the exactly algorithm, what they are doing. So check the link in the description. Now, like I said, I already did the manicure. I already put the hard gel before. And right now I'm moving on to the color. I did a pink hard gel base. We are going to use the pink cat eye on the top. The great thing is you don't need 2 layers of the color. Just one would be fine. And look how the application is super smooth. Like, by the way, this is not my first jar from this brand. I've been using them for a while. Like, I feel everyone using them because this is one of the most popular brands. And honestly, I love them. I think everybody already knows it. Born Pretty. So yeah, did one finger and put this to make sure it's dry into the lamp. Oh yeah, and by the way, very important positive note, their brushes, because they're like the brushes are super comfortable to use, because sometimes you buy a gel polish, the product is great, the application is difficult because the brush is terrible. Like, seriously, who checks those brands like brushes? Sometimes they're so bad and you ended up like throwing away the whole bottle just because it's impossible to work with. Like, why would I keep something in my salon that's not comfortable to use? But with a Born Pretty, the brushes are always nice and easy to work with. So I'm applying the gel polish one finger at a time so that our cat eye effect doesn't move before curing. I use a magnet, set it in the lamp, and while one finger is curing, we move on to the next one on the other hand. It's a process, one by one. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn off the voiceover and leave only the natural sound from the video. Guys, and this is my client's real reaction. And just so you know, I didn't ask her to do this like anything or make any special face. This is her genuine reaction to the cat eye effect. Just listen. So yeah, then I go the same way across all 10 fingers and the manicure is done. Absolutely. And actually, girls, the offering a cat eye design to your clients is a such smart and profitable idea for your business. Even if you're just a beginner, it's literally the easiest design ever. You just need to move the magnet a little on each nail, but you can charge extra for it and increase your service price with a minimal effort. So definitely take a look at cat eye polishes in different shades. Born Pretty has tons of amazing collections. You can also check out my previous video with them where I showed you their summer colors, and now they released a new fall shades too. so they're always updating their palette, the colors, so you'll definitely find something for yourself. That's it. This is our result. And it was your Diana Nails. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment with your thoughts of the result.